Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back again my programming tutorial. This is Mithun Sarker before you. Today I would like to show you how to create a beautiful website, dropshipping website using Bootstrap, jQuery and Google Fonts. So let us start. First I need download my Bootstrap file. Get Bootstrap and download here. I have already downloaded this Bootstrap file, and I have already created website and index.html, jQuery file and CSS file. And you will get first when you download Bootstrap, you will get this file and CSS file. You might need bootstrap.css and bootstrap main.css. Copy here and paste here, and jQuery file, jQuery bootstrap main.js and bootstrap.js. Copy and paste here. More on JS file, you need to copy and go to others and save here and save already this file. And after that you need to proper.js, Ctrl S and save here. And I need Google font. And this Google font is looking so good. And select this style and embed it. And first I need get a start in Bootstrap basic template. Ctrl C and I need to open my website, paste index.html and paste here. Let's see my index.html hello world. My Bootstrap file is working now, and I need to link up. Link relation style sheet and hyper reference. Style will be text/css and hyper reference we definitely I need Bootstrap rename CSS file and paste here, and copy all of them and paste bottom. Bootstrap dot min dot css, and I need more on style main dot css. copy and paste main.css, and I link up jquery. Script src will be I need all of them. Dot js js slash will be js slash, and copy and paste stuff dot min.js and rename here, copy js slash paste here, and more on script I need Ctrl V and proper.js proper min.js. So, and I'll link up this style, Ctrl C and paste here, and Google font main.css. Let's see. Oh, my Google font is working very good.